Hi everyone, I'm Kate Hannell. Welcome to my channel. Today on the agenda, air fryer poached eggs. Sounds interesting? Let's get to it. So you just want to spray your ramekins with cooking oil. I'm using ramekins and silicone cups because I just wanted to show you guys how the poached eggs turn out when made using either ramekins or silicone cups. The next thing you want to do is preheat your air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius. That's approximately 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to be preheating the air fryer for 5 minutes. You're just going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of simmering water to your ramekins or silicone molds, and we're going to crack an egg into each. The water you add will depend on the size of the ramekins you're using, so 3 to 4 tablespoons is okay, or about half a cup if using a larger ramekin. You then want to carefully place the molds you're using inside the air fryer basket. Careful because the air fryer is already hot from the preheating. Reduce the temperature to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, so approximately 180 degrees Celsius, and air fry for 7 minutes. The time will depend on how you like your eggs, so typically 5 to 6 minutes for soft runny poached eggs, 7 minutes for medium runny yolks, and then 7 to 8 minutes if you prefer a firmer yolk, and 8 to 10 minutes for hard yolks with fully cooked whites. Again, as with most air fryer recipes, use these times as a guideline and adjust the time accordingly. For those who are interested, I'm using a Ninja Foodie to make this recipe. We are then going to use a spoon to carefully lift the egg from the water. Transfer it to something like a slotted spoon carefully, just so you're draining any excess water, and then slide it to a plate. The eggs both came out well. Let me know how it turns out for you at home. Whichever container you choose to use, you just want to make sure it's big enough to hold the eggs without having them or the water overflowing. You also want to be careful with the silicone molds, especially when placing them inside the air fryer. Once the eggs are done, you want to immediately remove them from the air fryer to prevent them from cooking. Otherwise, they'll continue cooking with the heat that's inside your air fryer, which may not be what you want. And in case the eggs are not done to your preferred level of doneness, simply air fry further for 1 or 2 more minutes until they get to how you like them. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like or share with your friends. And if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. It'll go a long way. I'm glad you stopped by, and until next time, bye bye.